Okay, so I'm streaming now, but I have very little time. I just want to really get some stuff done today so I can actually make a short tomorrow. So I'm just going to ping the server and I'm going to like get straight to doing stuff. I don't know how much I'm actually going to get done. I might get like practically nothing done, but yeah. Hi Ryan. I won't be streaming for too long though, so yeah. Okay, so first thing is UI changes. Huge. That a lot. Display along. Okay. Then we're also going to give the health bar a bar. Okay. Okay, and then bar. This bar is going to have 4's index. Then number spray is going to have 5's. Further back bar, RB, transparency. What the hell? Oh, I did image transparency. Need to make it more transparent. Why the hell is it making an image appear there? Oh, because I mean it. 1, not 0. This game is really loud. Okay, I was intending on making this smaller, but I guess it isn't actually smaller when you take away. So you have to add pixels. So I guess I'm going to make this 0, this 5, and the BG is going to be moved to 15 to 25. If that works. Oh, and the visuals as well. I see it's a little bit. Just add 25 pixels. No, it doesn't change anything. Does that actually change anything? Yes, it did. Okay, so that's what it looks like now. Ryan says, what are you doing now? I'm just, I'm basically going to adjust the bars in the corner so that the health also has a bar as well. Borted says, got yourself a thumbnail her. Ryan says, I saw you in Escape for like 2 hours, so I'm going to be able to do something real quick. Yeah, I had like a run that went to like level 25? 35? No, not 35. But pretty close to Celestial. Also, hi Con, welcome to the stream. I don't have that much time, so I'm going to keep being fast, because, yeah. You don't need the rage start or rage. Obby. On says, try to make the sun Mr. Smiley if you can. Nothing really affects the game, it just be funny. Maybe. These are placeholder colours, I'm going to change them another time, I just want to get this coded. Health. So, yeah. Then we get to the rage. I put the rage equals it's in here, rage VFX. Okay. I'm just going to put this here for now. I'm obviously going to have to edit it a load, but I'm just getting all the stuff in there so I can actually... Okay, we don't need that either. You don't need that either. You see, you keep changing this. So this is going to be humanoid health. Health is humanoid health, so we're just going to put health in here, even though health needs to be isn't like a thing yet, but it's going to be in a moment. So. We also don't need dot value, we just need humanoid health. And we don't divide by rage cap, we divide by max health. We also don't need these either. Hi JK, welcome to the stream. Con says I also set my LEDs for my table desk. Cool. Okay. And then we can remove that. And that should hopefully work. And in case max health ever changes, we'll just put max health in there. And I'll put these here so that it knows. And then these can go. And then this is going to be, we don't need it to display. We just need the bar. Play GUI, then we wait for health, the effects, then we wait for the visuals and the bar. Okay, that should work. So now we have a health bar and a rage bar. This game is so loud. If I got it at like No, wrong key. Is it shift escape? Shift escape. No. Okay. So yeah, I need to get rid of rage disc. Okay, so the game is really loud for me right now. Oh, I think my headphones are up. I do need to lower the volume of the game though. Okay, so the display should work. Where's something that can damage me? I guess I'll just give this a Smiley. Because I called it bar, not rage bar. Because it's not rage bar. Tony says it's quite hard to see on phone. Okay, it works. Well, kind of. It's the colouring is. Needs to be the green one, not the red one. And then also on the they all actually have numbers, so we do 155 times the number. But I'm actually going to do 255 take away. I'll put those in an extra bracket because why not? So it should also get redder as the health goes down. Yes, it works. Look at it, it's getting better. Yeah, that's red. That's good. So it goes from green to red. That's actually really cool. I'm actually good. I'm glad that I managed to figure out the math behind that really quickly. Hello, Visa. Welcome to your first stream. I'm assuming since you said first time on at a stream is because you've seen the shorts, which is very cool, which means you do know a bit about the game. Okay, Bortoni says, what if when you get attacked by Smileware, adds pop-ups on your screen instead of its faces? I am going to add like a Smileware revamp, yeah, I'm going to like revamp this thing. Okay, so we've done the UI now. We've got the rage bar and health bar. Now the reason why they're like this is because first of all Smileware appears in the middle. We're also going to have a counter for the amount of things you collect in the thing, because it's gonna be a bit like Nullscape. Talking about that on the inspirations, you need to add Die of Death on the inspirations, because the game is currently inspired by Wegger's Challenge, The Idol, Nullscape, CC and Die of Death. And I get CC is made by someone in particular, but I'm still inspired by it, so I'm still going to note it down. Okay. Well, Tony says maybe he could instead Jeep spawning ads, and maybe, keep spawning ads and maybe below your screen. Once it's making pop-up UI, you would have to close what we call like Bro 20 said. Oh my gosh, yeah, like the pop-up UI you have in your game, that'd be really cool. Reza says, will this game be on Steam or will it be free? It's a Roblox game. This game will be on Roblox, and in Roblox it's free, so this game will be free. This game will be free on Roblox. So if you have Roblox, then you can play it. If you don't, I'm sorry you can't, but you can get Roblox for free to play it, and you can always watch videos on it. I'm thinking that might look good. Oh, I did image color, that's why. Okay, range effects visuals to so BG is just 0, 0, 0. Just like that. Okay, so now they're consistent with each other. Well, Tony Con says OMG Roblox Roblox. Beza says what's the name of the game? I kind of forgot. It's in the stream title. It's called Escape Mr. Smiley, but the game isn't currently public yet because there's not really anything to play. Although you can have a Discord server where people can play test it by asking to be a tester. Jacob Roblox says Con, you gotta get out. Beza says KTY, and they said nice in reply to Tony's messages. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the counter for the things, the objects. So I'm going to make just a new screen GUI. I'm going to add a frame. Then I'm going to make the frame's anchor point 0.5 and 1, I think should be it. No, the other way around. Okay, and then I make the position 1 and 0.5, or maybe the other way around. Okay, that's the right thing. Then the size is going to be 0.1 plus 10 pixels. One says Roblox, imagine not Steam game, heartbroken emoji. Anyways. Okay. I'm gonna make the transparency 1. Then we add a text label, and we can then make the text label fit whatever size we want. So in this case, we're gonna make it fill up the entirety of the frame, so it's going to be 1 and 1. And we'll make the background 1. Do text scaled. Do the same font with the other one to keep consistency. I can see if I put a 0, I'll be able to see whether it's the same 0. No, it's not the same 0. Okay. Let me just check. Okay, Microma, I think is that. Microma? That one. Okay, I don't think it's 0.5 transparency. Let me make its color 255, 255, 255 for now. Now it's just a counter in the middle, and hopefully Smileware doesn't block that, I don't think, but you can test it by spawning Smileware with commands. Smileware doesn't really block that at all. Okay, let me just close my cuts. Say we've got a decent map done for only 20 minutes, we've basically added loads to the UI. Okay, so now we're going to have... For now we're just going to put 0 out of 0, because for now this doesn't do anything. Name, not the text name. One says, instead, I would find it cool if Smileware, instead of appearing just being PNG, it could be animated and laugh, I guess. It does have an animated laugh jump scare, it's just the screen itself doesn't. Reza says, I want to try making a game 3 actually, all of them flopped. Dang. Sage says hi. Hi Sage, welcome to the stream. User has also said hi to you. I won't be streaming for too long, but hello. Okay, so now I need to code a system. It'd be really funny if I just call them gifts for now, like nullscape. I'll call them collect spawns. So green. Put them out. Okay, and then we'll just get one of these. We'll make them 4x4x4. Okay. We'll go. We'll just do 255, 255, 255. Okay. Okay, put this in the spawns. Then we're going to make a placeholder model for the things you collect, which would be 222 for now. We'll do the same thing with the primary part. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a copy of this, move this over by that much, and we'll get this, like this, transparency of 1, then we get this, no, do one way around, that one, transparency of 1 is transparency of 0, different material, plastic, okay, I'm just going to make it blue, make it blue. And then it's going to be like, well, Tony, it's going to be like, what's the word, nullscape. It's going to be collecting gifts in nullscape. This is what the counter is. So now we're going to have this, and we're going to have this, and we're going to get a model, and we're going to call this. We're just going to call it item, because I don't know what they're going to be yet. I just know that this is going to be how the gameplay is. Sage says it's pronounced GIF. Did I say GIF by accident? I meant GIF. Con says, talking about his... coming out of the ground, PNG laughing. Oh? Yeah, no, you mean like coming out to the bottom of the screen. Yeah, I know. I can add that when I revamp it. What I was saying was he does already have a laugh animation, I just don't use it for that. Rizzo says, me, I know it because my friend plays it. So, there is a few people here who know Cookie Run Kingdom. I don't know too much about it, I just know it's like a gacha game with cookies. Okay, item, hitbox, we make it transparency of 1, primary part, hitbox, then we're going to make it, we're going to put it into authenticated storage, then a server script thing, we're going to get the item placer, is what we're going to call it for now, and we just need to get rid of all of this stuff. And lighting plus decorator, we get the stuff here, put this in the item placer, thank you Tony. Con says, anyways gotta go, so see ya. Okay, bye Con. Sage says, what do you think my favourite cookie is? Do you want me to just spoil it for you, because I'm pretty sure I've already heard it, so I don't know whether you're asking Lisa or not, because I'm pretty sure you've already said. So I'll see if Lisa can guess. Okay. So I need to edit this to look for deco folder is collectible. Okay, so we just need the stuff here, to be honest, so I just know what to do here. Bortoni says, I don't know, have you said thank you Bortoni, I on something? I did say thank you Bortoni. I said it for a very quick second, but I did say thank you Bortoni. That's because this is the decorating script that you wrote that I'm just editing, that I've already used in this game. Okay. Botany says what script? The room generation script for Overgrown. And the original room generation script for Corridors. Although it's probably going to get recoded sometime. Okay. Sage says it's Pride Month. Cool. Said look at my post. Okay. Oh, channel activity is the wrong thing. Go to channel. Your thing is what are you doing at Pure Vanilla? That's what your only post is. Botany says I'm gonna recode it fully once you go work on Corridors. Cool. Okay, so find Deco Sport is what's it called? Collect spawns. It's workspace, collect spawns, get children. And then hold on. Then the deco folder. We don't need 4i deco folder because it's just a gift item. Local, well not gift, the local item equals. This will be item.name, then workspace find child decoration spot deco name, which we also not need. We just need collect spawns, and then in here we can put this. And we also need to okay, that should hopefully work. So now if we hit run, no, time to index more get children. Deco folder is Deco's name. Deco's name is okay, that's because we don't need folder. We don't need random deco, we just need item. Don't know why I didn't, whatever. An item is item.clone or :clone. Okay, now it should work. It works. And then these things would place around. Although I haven't made them have like their own stuff yet, I've just made them so they place. I haven't made the actual gameplay yet. So yeah. Botany says, oh that old thing, yeah, I'm gonna recode it once you work Corridors. Veza says what's music used, what scripting. This is linked in the description. It is it's called Temptation. It's by someone named Roblox for the game OWATAMSATE, which is obby with thingamasilly, and at the end it's a Roblox game. You should play it, it's a good game that had a update recently. Anyway, Sage says, what are your top 10 favourite Roblox myths? Oh yeah, Roblox myths. I haven't been seeing that many in a while. I did like the Smiles family one back when it was done. Like, whatever, yeah. Botany says, it was funny looking at how bad and unprofessional the code is. Sage says, today is the day Dark finally gets some free time. Laser says, see ya guys, I gotta go sleep in W stream by the way. Okay then, see ya. Talking about W stream, how many likes do we have? 2 likes. Botany says, see ya to Reza. I'm sorry, I didn't have to pronounce it. Sage says, going to go get some food, see you guys later. Okay then, see ya. Danan says, do you know I have 6 games on my PS3 that are PSP TM news? Okay, so now we need to make the actual system. So this is gonna call this. We're just gonna rename everything to lack confusion. Item spot. So there's no item name. Is item name even used? No, it's not. Okay, so now there's no confusion. Sage says, JK, ha 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 ha. Okay then. Glad to see you're still here. Okay. Danan says, also recorded a video on my phone and somehow the 35-minute video was 3 gigabytes. The video was below 720p by the way. Yeah. Anyway, so now we're going to do task.spawn. Place items. Right, remove the 2 brackets. Okay. Because now in so temporary while there is nothing to cause the items to spawn and the game to start. Okay. And now we're gonna have an item. So local hitbox equals an item. Wait for child. Hitbox. Hitbox touch connect function. Okay, so they think it's this. So up here we're gonna have local. We're gonna add a value, integer value. Items collected. Local item count equals game dot workspace wait for child items collected. Then we have in here collect spawns, so we have item counter dot name. No, wait, we're gonna have item local item. No, not local. Local item count equals 0. Item count equals. And here we have the light plus decorator. We have is number of folder. So we have hashtag. That should be it, I think. In here, what is folder? Folder is get children. So yes, that should be it. Okay. Item counter dot value equal gonna have item count. Item counts. I'll just do obj. Item count. And in here we're gonna have item count of dot value equal item counts. Okay, Baltony says, I think the shorts are getting more views, Doc. Yeah, they are. Hold on, I'm just reading all the messages that I missed. Dan says, also recorded a video on my phone, and somehow the 35-minute video was 3 gigabytes. The video is 720p, by the way. Dang. Sage says, if you had to play one game for the rest of your life, would it be Requiem or Roblox? It would be Roblox. Visa, I'm sorry, I don't know what, is it Visa or Reza? Like, it's like, or E. You can like say EE or EH to tell me whether it's or E. If you want. Sage says, item idea, a white crown that lasts for 2 minutes, letting you avoid Mr. Smiley, but the other enemies can still see you. Bortoni says, Mr. Smiley is the main one though. Sage says, yes, but I'd be more efficient if you had to deal with less for 2 minutes. And Danan says, Requiem is dead. It is, I'm pretty sure it got shut down. Bortoni says, yeah, Requiem died. The whole point is he chases you though, which is replying to Sage. Fozia says, what the heck, I can't see my chat in the chat thing on the right side stream. Dang. Oh yeah, it isn't there. It must be because I'm in top chat, not the like normal stream chat. It just got filtered. Bortoni says, go to the slider and select all messages. I'm not going to select all messages in case someone sends like messages that I don't want to have in my chat. Visa, or Visa, I think, because they said it's pronounced Visa down here, says, here's another item. It's going to be like one Sage said, instead of being invincible, instead of being invisible, you're invincible for 30 seconds against other enemies, but not Mr. Smiley. There's going to be a timer, so maybe 30 seconds is a bit much. I do have an idea though. I have an idea for an ability already. You guys will see at some point. Danan says, PSP minis but small games released on PlayStation Store, aka PS Store. They'll mainly ported mobile games and other small games. Sage says, yes, but I think if you have to deal with one looping engine and one anti-looping engine being chased by Mr. Smiley, having to do with other enemies would put less stress on the player. I'm going to actually rework Mr. Frowny. So yeah. But yeah, could do something about that another time. And then Danan says PSP minis are also lightweight enough to actually emulate on the PS3, being the only PSP games on the PS3 which you can play normally without jailbreaking or modding the console. Cool. And then Visa said it's pronounced Visa. And then Draco Boxer said, add a room where there's a door and you have to open the door with a button or lever. I'm probably gonna make a door that when you pull a lever, one opens, one closes, so you kind of have to like see which one you want open or closed. But Tony says it was for them. Visa says, yeah. I could also make a door that you can open yourself, but it's on like a timer. I'll note that down. Botany says it was for them. Visa says yeah. Sage says bye. I'm off to go read some books. Okay then, enjoy your reading. Okay, then the item counter will add up by 1. Okay, and that should work. Okay, let's see how that goes. Okay, test it. Is there an error? No. Okay. I did something wrong. What did I do wrong? Oh wait, no, I didn't do anything wrong, there's just no visual feedback. It's the only thing that I would have done wrong is this. There's no like visual feedback on the UI yet, I need to make the UI do it himself. Okay, okay. Local item count equals items collected. Okay. Is it called item collect? What screen do I? Okay. Okay. It's actually smart. The only issue is this is having issues. Print A. Print B. Print C. Should see a lot of A's. Yes. But no B's. Is there no hitbox? Am I doing hitbox as an item with child hitbox? Scrim Dev. Oh, okay. Scrim Dev is joined. Hello, Scrim Dev. I wasn't paying attention. Reza says, just realised it's pronounced Reza, so Reza. And then Danan says, the 5-minute video was me playing on PS3. Walton says, Dark Lucky, do you want the subspace smile mine? I don't know, that's probably more of like a joke thing compared to this game. I could make it like an item I can give myself, but I don't know. Danan says, also happy late Pride month. Yeah, happy late Pride month, I guess. Although, it's still in Pride month though, so happy Pride month. Danan says, so how Frowny work? I don't know exactly yet. But I'll make it so it has like some stuff to it that makes it actually teleport around a bit more. Danland says post rework those. Scrimdev says you're missing the. I'm not even going to say that. And then said you're welcome. But Tony said vaulting those. Danland says Scrimdev and you're missing brain cells. You're welcome. Sage says I'm reading the chat right now and I can't believe a brainwashed person is here. And yes, I'm reading my books while watching the stream. Reza says I'm actually asleep now. Bye guys. See you all next stream. Okay, bye Reza. Sorry that I didn't say bye earlier. Scrimdev says, I bet you use Lure, Dan. Yeah, maybe they do. Dan says, can't we take a joke? Dan says, Dark, please mute Scrimdev. Scrimdev is kind of being annoying. A bit of a nuisance. Sage says, Dark Health. Bortini says, bye, and then in brackets, Frieza. Dan says, my cat is sleeping on top of the printer. He's so cute. And then a smile emoticon. Roblox Studio isn't in Lua, and also I don't know whether you use Lua. It's Tony that uses Lua. I think I got a bit mixed up. Scum Dev says, mute for feeding a joke. Damn, hashtag free me. Maybe not. Sage says no, and Fozzie says, yo Dark, what's realistic timeline of knowing how to code if I tried to learn? I learned completely passively. I kind of just like searched it up when I needed to, and just mostly learned passively. I was already pretty good at coding logic, but now I know how like it mostly works. I'm pretty good at making whatever I want mostly, because I just know the logic. And once you know the logic, you just need to know the vocabulary, which you can normally do by just searching it up. Dalan says, the most I can do in Lua is like print hello something here, I don't know. Okay then. How many likes are we at now? 4 likes. Okay, so right now the hitbox is just never getting touched. I'm gonna print hitbox and hope it's not nil. I don't know what it does if it's not nil, what it sends, but it just sends hitbox. So hitbox isn't nil, so why is it not getting touched? I have a feeling I know why. But it's annoying because... Okay. And then in here we're gonna okay, I do have to go really, really soon. I'm just gonna finish. Okay, indoor workspace, and then we can remove this, and then after that is done, and that one is done, we do items placed true. I should, from the looks of it, I'll see a load of zeros, but now it's got 10, so okay. So now it has 0 time. Sage says, I thought your icon was a U, but it's a pair of eyes, I think. Yeah, it's a pair of eyes. So, like, people keep thinking it's a Valorant logo. Dan says, I got a new mouse and keyboard, cool. And also says, for some reason I've gotten better at spamming on GF. Is that supposed to be Geometry Dash? I mean, the F is right next to the D. So you mean GD for Geometry Dash. Sage says, cool. Dan says, ever since I got the new keyboard. And Sage says, okay, name one Cookie Run Kingdom character. What is it, like Shadow Milk Cookie or something? I don't remember his name. Danman says, I don't know, man. And then Bozzy says, yeah, I always assumed it is, I don't know, it sort of looks like a logo. It's because it's so small. It's 2 eyes. It's like the thing actually has origins to it. I was 8, I made this OC, I then used Excel to draw its eyes, although its eyes had already gone through a load of redesigns, and that was its finite redesign. And then, at some point, Orange decided to, like, refresh my profile pictures and drew my avatar for my Discord profile picture, and then revamped the eyes for my YouTube profile picture. And that's the YouTube profile picture I use now. It's just, so many people have said, oh, is that the Valorant logo? So many people think that it's a Valorant logo, and I don't understand why. Like, I can see why, but there's clear differences as well. Okay, so why is this not working? Okay, I swear, if this is the reason, I'm gonna be bloody infuriated. You heard me, I'm gonna be bloody infuriated, lad. I'm gonna be bloody infuriated. It is it, that is it, that's exactly it. That was exactly it. Oh, I'm bloody infuriated, lad. I'm bloody infuriated. That was the reason. It wasn't even the code. It wasn't even the damn code. Sage has raising eyebrow emoji. Fozzie says, dang, you've always been making characters, that's dope. And then they said, bro is British maxing. Bro is British maxing. He is maxing the Britishness. He is the British of the maxing. Sage says, OMG, Fozzie's icon, if you shake your screen slightly. I'm not even going to say that word. I do not want that taken out of context. Okay, so it works. And now, it's because that's like the light is delayed, because it blurs a bit, the light blurs a bit, that's what's happening. Okay, then we do if I actually put that in here. So I'll make this print hooray. I'll just make this print hooray. Oh no. Make this do something later. And then in here we do and then if that happens, then we do GUI dot color. Is it color? Is it just color? Background color. I'm gonna make it like a golden yellow. And then we're gonna times this by item counter dot value over item count dot value. I think that's the right way around. So it gets like a brighter and brighter color, and then it just we'll do 100 plus, so that it doesn't start off completely black and hard to see, because it blends in with the background of that particular colour. because of the dark like colour scheme. Okay, I might have done it the wrong way around. Okay, it's not changed colour at all. Oh yeah, that does do it correctly. Oh yeah, that's correct. Oh, because it needs to be just the text colour, not the background colour. So silly. I'm so used to changing the background colour and not the text colour. It's text colour. And we're also going to make it start off at 100, 100, 100. Attempt index null with destroy. Oh. Wait, what? I guess I'll just do that. I'm also going to take away 1 in the item count.value so that it's full 255, 255, 255 and it's 1 away because it turns gold when you've got all of them. Okay. Sage says, Fuzzy Evans, what? Sage went, I don't mean like that, it shakes. Fuzzy says, I didn't know I did that. Dylan says, 89, 89, 89, 89, W3 says my cat's Tycho. Sage says, what? I think something's wrong with the cat, it shouldn't be saying that. I don't think it's a cat at all. Fuzzy says, so glad I'm not British. Dylan says, game. And Sage says, what's wrong with British people? And then said, no, full screen. And Dylan said, what I meant is that my cat typed that. Fuzzy says, I don't know, I think I get bored of England. Sage says, oh, insert laugh track here. And Fuzzy says, I'd probably end up having to play Roblox a lot like Dark. I'm gonna take that as a compliment, actually, because positivity. What's it gonna do? Okay, and then I'm going to place these and I'm going to go. Oh my gosh, that's right. I hope that's not like a replicatable thing that's just like... It's just like an issue. I hope that lag spike was completely unrelated and not at all to do with anything. What the hell was that blue line? Excuse me? What was that? Why the hell did it add multiple? Did you see that? It's at 12. It added multiple. Why did it just add multiple? I know exactly what's causing it. It's because something's hitting it in such quick succession that it doesn't turn off can touch before it adds 1. So it ends up adding 1 twice. That's one. Yeah, that should be fixed. Yeah, that's fixed. Okay, I'm going to add it to the changelog. Okay. I'm just gonna place them where I can. And then I'll go. I'll literally go right after this. Okay, I'm going to publish these changes now as long as it works, which I can do by hitting test. Okay. Oh, hello, Make Switch. It said, yo, this looks thick. Thank you. Annoyingly, I'm about to stop now, so you can't really see much more, but I'm just publishing these changes for the testers to have. What I've added today is, like, the item collection things. I haven't made them do anything yet, other than, print hooray when you get them all, and also have the, counter do stuff. But I do have to, go now. I'm just gonna publish these changes, which I have done now. I'm gonna ping the testers. And I am going to maybe playtest a little bit in game, but other than that, yeah. Make Switch says, I don't know what you mean by phone guy, because Sage says phone guy, is that you? Maybe they just like thought you reminded them of the phone guy from FNAF? Probably because they said, oh, because he said hello, hello, because phone guy in FNAF goes, hello, hello, hello. I was just calling you to, and then some other stuff. Okay, so Fozzier says the reason I started watching Dark is because I thought it was funny to ask him dumb questions, and now I just watch him normally. Did I just say dung instead of dumb? Sage says yes, but I drink tea. I don't know. There's nothing really boring about this. There's plenty of places you can do tourist attractions. And they said same, and they said Fozzier then said I don't know. I would do in England. I like where I live. There's lakes and stuff. I'm struggling because I have to focus on the game while reading also in American. Okay then. Sage says also, if anyone's wondering what the T means in his name, it's truth. Couldn't put Sage of truth because well someone really took it apart. That. Interesting. Pale. Uh-oh. Oh my god, I forgot if you got over the shelf. That scared the hell out of me. Sage says bye now. Ow, he's damaging the hell out of me right now. Wait, is he enraged? Oh my god, he's enraged right now. Okay. Okay, how many are left? I just said switch stories now. Sage says, specifically after the stream ends, and I said, oh no, he's angry. There's no reset gifts button yet, so... I keep calling the other items gifts because of my escape. Oh my... Oh, hi! Hello? Bro, you okay? Ow! You won't let me through! You won't let me through! No sugar. Why should you not won't let me through? Where is it? Where's the last one? He's right there. He's just... maybe really low. Oh my gosh, okay, I don't know why I was trying to achieve that. Oh no. Oh my god, he's right there. Wait, was that the last kill? I didn't see it. No. Jeez. Why said that? Vortex says alright, I gotta go down. Okay then. Oh, okay, so I just noticed something else. Dying once items are collected. Dying doesn't update the item counter until you collect item. Okay, anyway, I do have to go now. That stream ended up being just over an hour, shockingly, which I didn't expect to fit in. Okay then. Anyway, I do have to go now, so see you guys. We did get enough done for me to make a VCAP video tomorrow, so that's good. I'll be able to make a VCAP video. I'll probably have the VCAP video explain what I've added, and then show like some more gameplay, so that any new viewers can see gameplay, first of all, and second of all, because I've added a big gameplay element, that will be very good in demonstrating the gameplay. Okay, anyway, yeah, goodbye guys. See you all, probably the day after tomorrow, annoyingly. Probably not tomorrow. I normally say see you all tomorrow, probably, but in this situation, it's probably the day after tomorrow, on, Friday. Probably see you guys Friday, so, yeah, see you then. If you want to, get pinged or something when my streams are open, you can join the Discord server. Anyway, I need to go now. Okay, see you. Hope all of you have a good evening, day, night, morning, whatever time it is for you guys, because it's almost 11 for me. See ya.